Okay.
Okay, start.
Hi, I'm BK.
Hi, I'm Robert.
I'm Ryan, and we are going to break the law.
We're here at Victoria Street and we're going to jaywalk.
We're going to break the law.
Alright, let's go.
Right. Let's go.
Hey man, climb over the thing. He's stuck. We're gonna smoke in an air-conditioned building. Oh man, we're gonna smoke in an air-con place.
Go in, go in, go in.
Break the law.
We're going to break the law.
Sit down.
Hey man, the door's not opening.
It's not opening. Hey, why?
Damn, the door's not opening.
Okay.
Oh man.
Well done.
That's right man, I'm now public enemy number 1.
I'm here at Bugis McDonald's and I'm going to go in and buy myself a Big Mac meal, upsize, and I'm going to bring it onto an MRT.
Alright, let's
And
go.
eat it.
Bro, apparently it's not 11 yet. Oh.
Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Out!
Let's try that again, huh?
It's been like 20 minutes since I ordered my Big Mac and it's finally here. Thank you. Bye.
Come on, pose the thing, man.
Let's go. Right here, might be discreet, alright?
Okay, I'll try to hide this camera.
Yeah, try, you know. We've successfully infiltrated the MRT
Yes, and now for the loop.
and now we shall eat McDonald's.
Next stop, City Hall Interchange.
Man, hello, useless. Stop Sony.
Oh wait.
Alright, he's done it.
This is Robert Tan. And you just seen eating McDonald's on MRT.
Okay, let's go. Littering.
Alright man, I'm gonna do public speaking without a license. It's so far away.
You like a sign, bro.